So today, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission arrested 9 suspects in connection with the alleged embezzlement and fraudulent disbursement of Kenya shillings 1,569,583,338.20 under the Rural Outreach of Financial Innovations and Technologies, hereafter referred as Profit Program, implemented by the National Treasury with funding from the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD. EACC investigation established that Kenya shillings 1,569,000,000 was fraudulently disbursed from the National Treasury Development Account to the Profit Program and subsequently channeled to 23 private entities, 15 business names, and 8 companies for goods and services that were never supplied or rendered.